This is an example of a bus timetable. Just a note, this is how we would read the timetable. If we look at each of the columns, they each represent a different bus. So I could think of this as bus A, this is bus B, this is bus C, and this is bus D. What I mean by that is bus A leaves Alfred Station at 7 a.m. or 7 o'clock here. This is 24-hour time. It arrives at William Street at 7:30 and then goes to Princess Road by 7:45 and then reaches Barnes Avenue at 8:05, and it doesn't actually stop at High Street. So after leaving Barnes Avenue, it goes straight past High Street and then goes to Chapel Road by 8:35. So where we have these gaps, this is just, these are stops that specific buses don't stop at. So if we look at B, bus B leaves Alfred Station at 7:20. It doesn't go to William Street. It goes straight on to Princess Road and then stops there. So Tom catches the 7 a.m. Alfred Street bus. What time does the bus get to Chapel Road? To work this out, I'm just going to focus on the 7 a.m. Alfred Street bus. So that is this one here. And it gets to Chapel Road. So Chapel Road is this stop here. I can see that it goes there, it gets there by 8:35. So my first answer there would be 8:35. Kelly gets the 8:10 bus from William Street. We want to work out what time she will arrive at High Street. If I look at William Street, the 8:10 is this bus here. So following the column down to High Street, which is here, we can see that it gets to High Street at 8:45. So she will arrive at High Street at 8:45. For the next one, we're told that Rob arrives at Alfred Station at 7:45. We need to work out how long he will have to wait to catch a bus from Alfred Station. So he arrives there at 7:45, so he's too late to get the 7 a.m. He's too late to get the 7:20. He's even too late to get the 7:40. So that means he would need to get the 8 a.m. Now, from 7:45 to 8 a.m., there's 15 minutes, so he would need to wait 15 minutes to catch the 8 a.m. We're told now that Mike catches the 8:45 from Barnes Avenue. How long does it take for him to get to Chapel Road? So the 8:45 from Barnes Avenue is here, and Chapel Road is the bottom row. So we need to work out the time difference between 8:45 and 9:35. So some of you might notice that that's 50 minutes, but if not, we can always think of it this way. You can imagine 8:45, think about how long it would take to get to 9 a.m. and then think about how long it would take to get to 9:35. Well, 8:45 to 9 a.m. is 15 minutes. So it's 15 minutes from 8:45 to 9 a.m. and then 35 minutes from 9 to 9:35. What we need to do then is add up 35 and 15, which will be 50 minutes. John catches the 8:15 Barnes Avenue bus. How long will it take him to arrive at Chapel Road? So Barnes Avenue's here, it's this row, and this column is for the 8:15. Now, to get to Chapel Road, it will take him up to 8:50. So let's look at the time difference. Right, so 08:15. Let's see how long it takes to get to 08:30. And then how long it would take to get to 8:50. So there's 15 minutes from 8:15 to 8:30. So 15 minutes there. And then 20 minutes from 8:30 to 8:50. 20 and 15 is 35, so it will take 35 minutes. Here is a question for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. So for the first one, Mike arrives at Norton Mumbles Road, which is this row here on our bus timetable, at 12. How long will he need to wait for a bus? Well, he can't get the 10:56, so he could get the 12:26, and that's a 26-minute wait. Kelly catches the 11:01 from Blackpill, so that's here. 11:01 is here, this column. What time will she arrive at the slip? Well, she arrives at 11:09, assuming that nothing's running late. John catches the 16:36 Swansea University Northeast, this one here. 16:36 is this column. How long will it take for him to arrive at Swansea bus station? Well, it should take him 9 minutes.